Welcome to the My Camping Adventures channel. I'm going to do a driving tour of one of the best steelhead fishing places in the country. This is the Elk Creek access area. Entering Elk Creek access area off of Route 5. Little stretch of road goes down. My allergies are killing me today. I don't usually have them. And there's hardly anybody here right now. It's a great place to come. Check out the scenery. Hey, there's a lot of people here, I guess. A little further down. It's actually where I taught my son how to drive. Although it's debatable I did. Just kidding. Look at the beautiful scenery. I am going to park, get out, and give you some nice shots. A lot of the people that come down here are boaters. It's an access area to Lake Erie. Gonna find a place to park, hopefully. Gonna circle around here. The restrooms are to the right. But you have to park up here and walk down. Nice wooded area that you can go up into and hike. Takes you to the bluffs, which I did a video on a bit ago. I am going to try this and simply keep the GoPro recording. Gently lift it off its mount. And we're going to get out. It's a beautiful day today. A lot more parking. We're going to walk down to the Elk Creek. There's a little picnic area here. As you can see, the cottonwood is out in full abundance. Nice place to come. Just hang out. Restrooms. And we're taking a slow walk to the creek. I love this area. It's one of my favorite places that I wanted to share with all of you. Somebody left the bathroom door open. There's probably a raccoon in there. Thought I heard something. Here's a hiking trail that you could go up. It's pretty steep at first. It's called Wildflower Way. It's a sign to prevent Lyme disease, wear repellent, check for ticks, shower. This area is also open to hunting right now. I think it's still turkey. Here's a nice shot. It's 550 acres. 50 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 acres Says more than a mile of shoreline and 550 acres. Erie Bluffs State Park is Pennsylvania's largest stretch of undeveloped land on the Lake Erie shoreline. It was shaped by glaciers more than 11,000 years ago. Okay, we're going towards the Elk Creek access. As you can see, it's a very popular spot with boaters and fishermen. Nice bench to sit and hang out. I'm telling you, if you're this far in the video, please subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so I can live stream and take you to more cool places. We could chat. Have some fun. Look at this beautiful, beautiful area. I have two kind of good friends that would do outdoor stuff together, and we're both all at the stage of our lives where we're working, we're busy, tried to launch our children. Some of my compatriots are on a kayaking trip today that I hope to go on. However, it's one of my children's proms. So, decided to stay home and be around if needed. But I'm here showing you the beauty. Around that bend, you're in Lake Erie. Trail gets pretty steep up here. You can cut all the way down and walk down there. This is the My Camping Adventures channel, showing you a really nice place to come in Pennsylvania if you like to steelhead fish, if you like to boat. Nice access point for Lake Erie. In fact, I just thought about it. I could bring my kayak down here. There's picnic tables, there's hiking, there's bathrooms, and there's access to Lake Erie. What's not like to like? This is the My Camping Adventures channel. I appreciate all my subscribers and everyone who watches this video. I hope I could share some of these beautiful places with you and give you ideas for your own camping and outdoor adventures. A wise subscriber told me I should ask for one thing. I might be more likely to get it. So please subscribe and take care. Again, this is the My Camping Adventures channel, and this is the Elk Creek access area off Route 5 near the Erie Bluffs State Park. Take care.